Hi y'all, I'm Tim from Mr. Maple. Today we've got another great video for you. If you like videos on Japanese maples, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put out daily content, much of that about Japanese maples. You'll really love the Mr. Maple Show if you're subscribed to us. Also, if you comment, more people see that, we'd appreciate it. And as always, shop on MrMaple.com. We had 10 new trees every single Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have an email that goes out and tells you about the full listing of plants that are coming out. Make sure you're subscribed to that. Now, today's video, Acer palmatum, Olsen's frosted strawberry. Yeah, I know, everybody loves Olsen's frosted strawberry. This plant puts on amazing colors. We're talking in the springtime in a reticulated, bright pink red. And when it's that bright pink red in the early spring, you have deep red veins in the leaf. Now, when I talk about reticulated variegation, many of y'all who know snakes may know what I'm talking about. You see the veins of the leaf. This unique style of variegation is called reticulated. One of the very first cultivars that came out that had that reticulated style was reticulatum, and people loved it. It came to Europe, got a Latin name of that reticulatum, and that's really what I mean when I talk about reticulated. Often nowadays, people talk about this and refer to it as a ghost type maple, and that's because many of the ghost series have that reticulated style variegation. Now, Olsen's frosted strawberry, this was an introduction by the late Harry Olsen, and he introduced many plants. But the thing is about him, Olsen's frosted strawberry, this is the jewel in his crown. This plant is amazing. The spring color gives you just some of the most electric colors you can imagine on a Japanese maple. When you're looking at this plant mid-spring, you start to get some more creams starting to go in there, so you get like a baby pink color. But the really cool thing about this plant is the green it starts to get in the veins of the leaf. And when it does that, it really looks like a frosted strawberry. I mean, the name Olsen's frosted strawberry aptly describes it in that mid-spring color. That mid-spring is probably my favorite time of the season for Olsen's frosted strawberry. That color is just electric. Late spring, you might get some more creams in there with more of that green veining, a little bit of pink reds, but then in the fall, you get bright oranges and bright reds. So you get color changes all throughout the seasons. That's what I love about Japanese maples. They have ever-changing beauty. And Olsen's frosted strawberry is just that. It's ever-changing beauty throughout the season. With that reticulated style variegation, this is one you're sure to love. Now, this is a plant that you can grow out in the landscape. In the landscape, in 10 years, this is a plant that will get about 6 to 7 feet in height by about 6 to 7 foot in width. That means it's not a very large growing Japanese maple. It's a fairly slow growing Japanese maple. You'll want to give it some protection from the hot afternoon sun for it to really thrive and do well. And really good drainage. Good drainage is key with a lot of Japanese maples. Now, Olsen's frosted strawberry is great for containers, being that it's a slower growing Japanese maple. That means it's a Japanese maple you can put in a container and enjoy it next to your patio. You can enjoy it next to your pool. Just make sure you give it that protection from the hot afternoon sun, and make sure your container has good drainage, and this tree is going to thrive and really be a beautiful tree for you. I love Olsen's frosted strawberry. The colors on it are outrageous, and because of this, I like to pair it with other outrageous trees as well. You put something like a golden falls or a summer gold next to this that's going to have a bright yellow spring color, it's going to be outstanding. The color contrast between the two will be so dynamically different that it'll really give you a pop in your eyes, and everyone who walks by will be like, wow, look at those Japanese maples, because they play off the colors so well. Now, if you like those reticulated Japanese maples, other ones like Grandma Ghost or Sister Ghost may give you a cream reticulated variegation that can really play a good contrast with a similar structure to Olsen's frosted strawberry. So if you're looking for another reticulated style, look no further than something like a Grandma Ghost or a Sister Ghost when pairing the two in containers or in the ground. Those are going to give you that cream reticulated variegation, while the Olsen's frosted strawberry will give you that pink red color. Olsen's frosted strawberry, A+ plant. We love it. I know you're going to love it too. Now, sometimes we sell out of Olsen's frosted strawberry. It's one of our more popular Japanese maples for collectors. They often come asking for it by name. And Olsen's frosted strawberry may be sold out. And if it's sold out on our website, go to our website, click the Notify Me button, plug in your email address, and when Olsen's frosted strawberry becomes available again, we'll give you an email and let you be notified that it's available again on MrMaple.com. We really hope you enjoyed today's video on Olsen's Frosted Strawberry. This is a really unique Japanese maple that gives you ever-changing beauty all throughout the seasons. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.